What's up, everybody? Engineer Pat 5290 coming to you with another unboxing. This is actually an HO piece I pre-ordered last year from Scale Trains, and it finally arrived. So I'm very, very happy about this, and I think I know what this is. So let's go ahead and open up the box. Put it in a little big box too. Cut that side off. There we go. Oh yes. Oh, free candy in the box. That's awesome. Hey, free candy. Here it is, guys. My Southern GP30 Phase 2B, number 2601, the North Carolina Transportation Museum version by Scale Trains Rivet Counter. Oh yeah. I gotta take this thing out of the box. And I also love the boxes too for these things. And this is actually my first HO scale engine that I have ordered from Scale Trains. I've ordered a couple of cars, but this will be my first engine. One second. As always, it comes with a manual. It gives you all the function charts too. Check that out. That's pretty cool. This does have ESU Loke sound as well. So I'll be reading up on this. Oh yeah. Now my adrenaline's pumping. Now my adrenaline is pumping. And I will be doing a full review on this locomotive. Patch very similar to Athearn. Got the pull tab. Oops. Here. Is that packaging? Yeah, that's just packaging. Get the foam sleeves out. Been waiting on this thing for a very long time. Here is the main attraction. Right here. There she is, guys. My Southern GP30 2601. Right here. Oh man, look at that detail. Oh yeah, just like the real deal too. Even got the detail parts on. Even the wheels are weathered too. I like that. That's really pretty. Oh man. I just love this thing. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. I'll be doing a full review on this. So this is something I've been wanting to review for a long time. So, oh yeah, look at the top too. But this is absolutely gorgeous. This baby is crisp. And this engine actually adds some weight to it. These things are heavy. Like I said, I have never had any HO scale engines from Scale Trains. I've always had, you know, their end scale items, but I've had a couple of the HO hoppers, but never have I had one of their engines before until now. So I'm very happy with this, and I will be doing a full review on this. So, and as always, when you get your locomotives, save your paperwork, because you never know when it will come in handy again. So I always keep my paperwork, because I'm going to keep the manual out for a little bit as I'm going to read it soon. But ladies and gentlemen, that is your latest unboxing. Hope you guys enjoyed this. I'll be doing a full review on this locomotive that will be coming out very soon. So I will be doing the preliminary test of making sure the locomotive runs well, making sure all the functions run great, and then I'll be having a review on this very soon. So this baby's getting ready to hit the rail. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I would like to thank you all so much for watching.